Okay, so here's a shorty. So originally this walking of our heater right here was actually right out here. And this storage tank right here was actually to the right over here. This softener system was way over here up against this wall where you can see the salt tank is currently. This place was just a huge mess. All of the piping was corroded and falling apart and leaking. So what we've done is taken everything and relocated it so we can shorten up the lengths of all the copper lines, reduce all the potential issues, reduce the amount of flue venting for the heater so it operates better. We put everything on pallets to protect it from the concrete. And now the whole mechanical room will flow easier, but also be able to service it easier and or replace equipment in the future later. So this is the hot water line. So what we're doing is connecting right here. We're going to run up. We put some new C channel in. We're going to run across, and then we're going to tie into the old hot water piping. We found a spot that's clean enough to tie into that's not all corroded and leaking. So what we've done is we've created a 90 here with the ball valve shut off. So this contains the whole entire system in here in case there's an issue. Then what we've done is created a softener loop with these ball valves right here so that the softener can be in operation, or we can choose to take the softener out of the operation and allow hard water to go directly to the appliances in case there's a problem with this softener.